kunalento yokuthi ama-gay ngathi akhompyutha namantombazana. Are you aware of that? Like in terms of lento yobu-slay queen, lento embrace ukuthi uyintombazana and stuff. It's like there's a competition between gays and girls.
Yeah, there is, but nowadays I think like ama-gays sewamahle ukudlula amantombazane.
Ugirl mayageza phambi kwakho akabe fascinated like more big reaction yakhe nje ugeza nje.
Akekho comfortable.
Imina mostly ngabe comfortable. Bona I think baba vele babe comfortable. Ngomuntu ozakeza cotho ngigeza emqolo, ngimgeza nami emqolo, ngigezwa lutho nje futhi. But vele anginama cousins amabi, anginama brothers amabi. Like shukuthi like vele into esemndenini ukuthi kumele sibe bahle. Vele ubona potential ngamzoze cousin.
Cousin.
Ubona potential ku cousin because nina last kuma relationship ane?
Yeah, mostly because ihlezi sibona ama different flavors. About dark chocolate, caramel.
So you just want to taste nje.
Sifuna ukutaste. Sifake inyawo. Mina let me just say I won't date a verse guy. I kabi inkosi kodwa unobusesinyana because naphela ngithi uphinde angeke. Phela yena uphinde ube i-girlfriend omuntu. Uphinde kuba indoda yami angeke.
Like i-rate of after 9, would you say it's high or medium or low?
It's increasing. Sengasho ukuthi 1000 ngoba iyanyuka. Phela once a guy smash once another guy usazobuya because istofu siku 8 lapha. Asiku 8 lapha istofu. Mina mangakhoma iqiniso nje. Gabriel of virginity. Well, I was in grade 1.
Grade 1. Umuntu grade 1 usuke neminyaka emingaki?
Amagi emotion ukuthi first meet up savula amavisi so no red flag leyo awulivuli ivisi nge-first meet up no kuba uzohamba mfana first meet up
angithi kumele kusheshe phela
mina phela uphinde ukhonza ukuthi ngintomazane ngidinga ukuncengwa.
Okay.
Yes ngidinga ukuncengwa ube gentle nami usho ukuthi ngiyakufila ke manje mama.
Hey, yo, what up, good people? It's your boy, Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, we are back with another episode. And I'm number no one today.
Oh, hamba no. Siphephelo wamkhizi. Langelihle mkhizi yena lo.
Oh, usiphi?
Oh,
cause mina ngikwazi ngosiphi.
Usiphi.
Oh, okay. It's nice to have you on the show. Yeah. Feel welcome. And by the way, sinosihle lapha ku backstage, so nayo uzobe ngena there and there. Yeah, so don't be surprised nje mayikubuza imbuzo from the other side.
Yes, siyabingelela Siphi.
Sawona sihle.
Yebo, alright.
Kaphela njani?
Hayi, ngiright nami.
Kaphela.
Asibonga ukuthi uzivakashele la ekhaya.
Yeah, it's been a long time even though ngiqhaqhazela bo.
Yeah, I feel free mfethu. Because usazokhuluma, kusamele ukhulume. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let's first start here. Ubani usiphephelo mkhizi? Usuka kuphi?
Somkhizi. Siphephelo mkhizi ngane nje. Isuke iqhamuka sinokuhlala sinekupaki kodwa ngifuna umuntu enjona. Ngifunda lapho. Yeah, a very kind person. Even shy one futhi ngishaye bakwethu. Yo. But ke yeah. Even though I feel cozy kancane like yeah but yeah Siphi Slay Queen B bangazi ngale isikole lelo gama.
Oh, Slay Queen.
Even though ngaziyo nje ukuthi ngiSlay Queen but abangaziyo they know me as a Slay Queen.
Eneklana kunalento yokuthi ama-gay ngathi akhompyutha namantombazana. Are you aware of that? Like in terms of lento yobu-Slay Queen, lento embrace ukuthi uyintombazana and stuff. It's like there's a competition between gays and girls.
Yeah, there is, but nowadays I think like ama-gays sewamahle ukudlula amantombazane. Most ama-gays like njengami, take me for an example, uyabona nje nawe because then unakama amantombazane uyabona nje ukuthi this girl wasn't supposed to be ukuthi abe intombazane. Or maybe ukuthi awayithandi because isikhathi samanje igay negay ayidingeki igay ngayithandi futhi not ngathi igay umuntu ongayithandi nje asimthathele ekhanda.
Yini into like yini into ehlukile about you gays from girls? Wena ungathi, what's the difference that you've noticed with how girls are and with how gays are?
I would say the difference is it's personality hlukile and futhi the way we embrace ourselves. Ama girls amaningi ayayinyatsa and ama gays ayibona ayinto ayibukela phezulu abavumela abantu bawayehlisa self esteem. Then amantombazane once watsho ukuthi yimbi seyokuthathela ikhanda lokho and stuff, and ukuthathela ikhanda lento lokuthi no ngimubi and uthi lo muntu lo akangithandi, angeke uthande wonke umuntu okusiyona phela imali. Yeah.
Okay. And then when how is it discovered, like your discovery of Gucci, like you're into other guys? How did it came about to Uzube, like, you know what? Or was there ever a point where you were dating girls and then you had realized I'm just not into this, Mina, I'm different from the others?
So Mina, when I was in grade R, ngathanda nomfana ofuna grade 3. Ngaqala angazi ukuthi ngidiscover nini, but ngaqala ukuthanda nomfana ofuna grade 3 ngifuna grade R. Then yeah, kwaya wathi mayifunda grade 6. I was in grade 3 if angiphosisi, yeah 3. I was in grade 3. Then ngike ngathanda nentombazane nje yasekasi. Inhle nje yona intombazane yakhona. Now sesiyabolisana. Athanda nayo because abantu environment bengikuyo bazama ukungishintsha lento engangiyona. Abafana basekasilam bafuna ngiskimane nabo. Then ngaskimana nabo angaba the way ngakhona namanje because sengahluki ngokuzibona kwami angahluki indawo. Into engisahluki ngayo. Ngilokho ngiyalevelisha up ukuthi ngiba muhle every day. Personality ayikahluki because nga-acta kanje, then abafana lini ukuthi lento umuntu bakayigay wedla namantombazane, so asimamukele into yangakhona. Ngathanda nentombazane, then masithandana nale ntombazane sathandana, but ngabona ukuthi angikho la because angifeel anything nale ntombazane. Let me continue nale nto engiyenzayo, and lo muntu engangithandana naye ngifuna grade R ube ubhuti kamnganami. Then ke sabuyelana ke noGuy, ngabona ukuthi lento engiyenzayo noGela yikho. Ngamtshela uGela ukuthi ayikho lento esiyenzayo, mina uyazi ukuthi I was already a gay, so
she knew. You told her?
Because akekho beyangazi mina ekhasi lami ukuthi uSiphi bekagay, bekadlalisa, bekagqoka impahla zamantombazane. So wajola nami yena wakhetha wafula in love, azi ukuthi lo muntu lo usaseningi aphumile from ukudlala namantombazane, uku-acta as gay to act as umchitha. Then wafula in love. Ngamtshela mina ukuthi ayikho lento esiyenzayo ngeke isebenze, ngibelong emantombazaneni mina.
Yeah. So during that period uthandana naye kwenzekeni nje?
Yeah, ngingayiqabula into. She's the first girl I kissed, yabo. Ngafunda into eziningi ngaye ukuthi how to date intombazane, nga-embrace as umfana, but phakathi deep ngizwe ukuthi there's something eshodayo kumina engabe ngibuyela kuyona. Ngasho ukuthi my roots because Pinky, I don't know ngiqale nini, but ngaqala ukuhlanipha ngifuna grade R. Then uma wami wabuza ukuthi wena unothando shit. Wena naye nenzani?
Yeah.
Bese kaziwa nje ukuthi uthandana naye uSiphi, uthanda naye. Then mama ngithi uyazi ukuthi ngangephi, athi mama ngiyakwazi kodwa into enzana uthando ngayibona ukuthi ayikho ngoba mntanami uyazi uphilonga kephi. Ngikeke khatha off amathayi.
Should nje wena from ukhula bebekubona kini ukuthi okay.
So you didn't have to tell your parents ukuthi mina ngumuntu oso, they just saw from the get go ukuthi wena you are different?
Yes, because baba mbekani ngokungilanda nje nangebhandi.
So for what?
Phela like lapho ngidlala khona kamakhelwane, so because ukuthi mangekho endlini yazi ngithola phi, alisha ngathi uyongifuna, uyazi uthola ngiyintombazane bengicwisa roach, then angishaya. Then
ukushayela lokho but lokho akukaze kukushintshe noma ukucabangise differently because obviously it's your parent and abazali banalento ukuthi they're trying to like reprimand you and stuff like that. You never took it that way.
Yeah. Inamanje nje the way ngisa embrace the being embrace ngakhona kudala. Baba muzi yazi akukho kusashintsha mama muzi yazi hayi bontombazane khona baba emendlini. Ufile awkward ukuthi ish khona baba mdo ngavele like abo baba isikhathini esiningi. So ish athi uthi hayi qhubeka ntombazane so icela ivuthiwe. Ngoba mengavuthwanga ayidleki. so icela uvuthiwe ngoba uzokubhoboke so
okay I want to know let's cut lesi usathandana nalo girl lo. Did you try like to act straight cause naye obviously uzofuna ukubona in a certain way ukuthi nibe in a relationship together? Did you try like ukuthi ube like you know what, I need to look like umjita manje?
Yeah, ngazama because namanje khona time namanje ngike ngazama then ngabona ke amanye amantombazane beyang approach and le nto le ngiyithandi because angali ne but approach like because you know that I'm gay. So ngazama kuba ukuzenza umjita but angimthanda umuntu ongenza into engasiyo afuna ungenza into ayifunayo. So ngazama ngahluleka ngathi ngiyahluleka then ngaqhubeka the way ngakhona because mostly ngiqoqa impahla zabafana mina the way ngakhona ngaqhubeka then ngiyabona ukuthi ayikho nayo bayabona just ukuthi wayesaba ukukhuluma ukuthi ayikho lento esiyenzayo besiyingane mina ukuthi ngangihlani ukudlula yena. I was more mature ukudlula yena.
Yeah. Okay. Because also, there's something that I've picked up. You are from a family of involve like indaba zamatekisi. Nginibana amatekisi.
Yeah. And yeah, akhona amatekisi la ish ngeke ngamention.
Okay.
But akhona la nasekhaya khona. So and they are very protective. Mina nasendaweni they are because la ngihlala khona kudividekile khona eyangale khona yangapha la ngihlala kuyona they are very protective towards me. Ngabona last day so jive. I was like khuluma imfana ngathi ngamnyathelo something wavuka iconsi lakhe inkosi then labafana bakulindawo le bangimela ukuthi wenzani umjito wenzani sibamela uSiphiwe. I was like damn should I'm love this side abo because last day bebaqala ukungibona as intombazane. Because ngeke emakhaya ngifake ngistolile. I was like hi boss P bebangijwayeleza umuntu ogijimisa imbuzi and inkomo uluse ngavele sikhona bonke ngiyikhiphe ngiphinde ngizibuyise umuntu nje uthanda ilwane. So bebangijwayela ukuthi bebeze bangibiza hayibo umehlo umbuzi umfana segoli ngangijwayele lo gama lelo. Then last time ngiqhamuka ngistolile I was like dala sisho so asimangali dala sikubona wena ukho ordinary kule ndawo lesamqaba kumuntu ufana nawe. So ngabona ke lapha and like emndenini wami khona baba lo wangithuka ngamangala kunetha baphuma bonke baya lapho lo charity ngeke ngimention baya lapho kithi oze kahle ukuthi bengithuka thini because akaphiwa umuntu right ukuthi angithuke. So ayixazula indaba yakhona because bese involve bese kuyiwar kahle because nalo umndeni loyo umndeni onothile emakhaya ufana nakithi. So bayixazula indaba yakhona asho ubhuta khona ukuthi uyaxolisa.
But also the reason I'm asking ukuthi you're from a family of laba ona khona amatekisi because now kunalento yokuthi if it happens maybe umuntu ophethe amatekisi God forbid passes away then obviously isn't enjalo inheritance meliwele thiwe kundodana. So I affect lento le in a way yokuthi because manje obviously your family have seen ukuthi manje umuntu onjani they don't sit down with you maybe abakazi baba na conversation where it gets to an extent ukuthi baba like now how are you gonna be this person where else when uphila impilo so.
I will say mentality yabo ukuthi abantu abafana nami esikhathini abantu abaningi bana ukuthi abantu abagay they are rich and wise. So umalume oyedwa wabo wamatekisi wathi wena Siphe you gonna be a good advisor ngoba umalume onamatekisi wathi woziba right ukuthi ungayala ingane yami ukuthi intweni financial things ukuthi ngawaphatha kanjani amatekisi because ingane yami isagcela ukudlala wena ngiyabona ukuthi there's something ngawe even though okay and sikwamukela like high ukuthi okay but there's something ngawe even though sashona thina singabantu bakho thina siphethe ama-taxi but uyabona ukuthi legacy izokhula and well indeed no bangasho nizokhula.
True.
I will ngizozama because ikhona nelinisele lapha ngingenimention kuba banamatekisi and like uyena uyasho umuntu akhona disable akhona ukuthi uyu owner yakhona yena nobhuti wakhe ama owner. So nami ngizoba yona ngiphinde ngibe nemali zami the best thing ukuthi ngabe mase sixabana nabantwana babo bese ukuthi imali engaka kumele ihloniswe kanjani ngazi ukuthi nami nginokwami even though kwamalume mama but nami ngizothola something from that.
Was it easy to accept abomalume bakho ukuthi you are gay?
ngathi like uma wami wena wayobatshela because in my socials ngihlezi ngipost I mean and like bayabona so abanye baze ba reshare ngabona lapho kushuthi ayikho phe inkinga yapi because baze ba reshare bona into my socials ukuthi mshanami lo bangipost because they are not afraid ukuthi ngigay and into engathusi lo muntu osathusa ukuthi khona umuntu ogeyiwa kube in 2026 that's been childish like for real that's been okakhulu kahle emqondweni because we are living in that society ukuthi there are gays lesbian transgenders
no ngithola
Then uthe before we start the show you said there's a difference between istabane ne gay. Mina ngibona kuyinto eyi-one. How is it different now?
Is it different because angifuna because that thing phinde kube ngathi sathukana and stuff.
Okay.
Mostly LGBTQ+ ayisupportani yona even though yona iyodwa and ngisingasho ukuthi babathi uyistabane ndi mina ngigay umuntu osuka azibona angcono kunalo because nakho mina ngiclean then nongcolile ngizokubona as if ungcolile why mele ngize ngikuthathele ekhanda because how come you become gay ungcolile ama gay says ukuthi ama gay manje animali a clean that's the most important thing ukuthi ube gay or a lesbian mele ube clean ucaca ukuthi you are not in that particular flag labantu aba straight so kwendaweni iflag labantu aba different from them so mele ube ukwazi uyiphatha as a gay person so istabane I will say because ngezwe kuthiwa bathukana so angazi ngithoka umuntu ngisho lo gama ngomunye umuntu I was like like vele abantu engiclose nabantu ngima ngibona is ngizibona ngcono kunalo like damn but ke angeke ngithi ukuthi ngingcono kunawe because ngizokwelcome the ngakhona then ngikusiza lapho nalapho even though I was betrayed a lot from abantu bebathoka bathi itabane then I tried to change them to become babizi ngama gay bangibetray so
bakubetray kanjani manje
benginabangani so esikoleni nje from primary because I was the top I was in the top of the food chain because the way ngakhona like angeke ngithole sengiphuma maybe ngcolile or something ngihlezi ngineeds on point so kulamanye amagay wasesikoleni ngasikemana nawo bangekho singasho ukuthi wayengayithandi back then so ngizamile ukuthi njengoba kunje mina ekhaya let me try ukuthi nawe ngikufithise in la ngikhona then uthi mose ufithe in then na uzigcina usuzibona ukuthi udlula mina then ngiyabona ukuthi uzibona umuhle udlula mina let me ngikhele kwena then sizo spread ama rumors ukuthi nginjenje wena yiyi ngamzuza imini ukwenza ukuthi bazi bayike ukubiza ngestabane then they started to call you gay person.
Is it wrong ukuthi abantu banibiza like ngiyitabane? Let me hear it from you. How do you take it when someone comes and say istabane?
Ngizovela ngikubuza ukuthi ansalakhi ngane linye igama elizosithusa because singijwayele ngakhula nalelo gama awusalakhi ngane igama yabo istabane konkoni awulakhi ngane igama elizosithusa singijwayele lo gama ngithi then what because mina uNkulunkulu wangenza ngibe nje ngabe bengafuna ukuthi ngibe nje bezongithatha long time ago so ngaba usangigcinile manje mina uNkulunkulu it shows ukuthi la emhlabeni ngize with the purpose.
So grandly insult.
Yeah, it is an insult that name. Nenkonkoni is an insult. But nowadays abasabathuki stabani nani kusukubantu aba childish ozoshulo lo kama lelo.
It's not happening anymore.
Yeah.
Now did you went through like bullying?
Mean?
Yeah.
I would say not really because abantu benginteract nabo mostly it was street guys. Like angibengathandi sisi mina amantombazane because it drama and stuff angithandi kuba phakathi kwesixoxoxo because I'm a little bit nonchalant angithandi kuba phakathi kwesixoxoxo so ngithanda ngithethe nabafana because vele phone namgcwele aba street guys unjani and bangicheck more than amantombazane I was the one who supposed meaning ba check yikho ngithanda kuba with those guys so bebangangibullish because primary ngizona nabafana bengidlana ikarate the westing primary as a gay person so mabangibullisho bangibiza maybe istabane bona abafana bengidlana nabo they come through bangivikele from that particular person so ngabona ukuthi yabo I'm loved here so ayisangithusi lelo kama even if uyangibhula I mean into ngiyithathele ekhanda angiyuzi maybe singiyakhala over yona or something angeke ngiyithathele ekhanda yakhona because I'm gay, so what? Mina into ebisemqoka ukuthi njengoba ngamkela umndeni wami wasestradeni uthini akasho ini, I don't give a damn because okwakhe lokho into ayicabangayo umndeni wami ubona impumelelo ubona success towards mina ubona into ezinhle wena ngokucabanga kwakhe ayi owakho shame.
Then straight guys, they're just like friends, or some of them it's people that abakufunayo or they are after something.
Mostly they are friends, mostly, but abanye ke bazala banale mentality ukuthi njengoba ake so urich unemali asami siskeme nayo ngoba uzosenzela lokho and lokho, because mina angikwazi ukuthi I'm doing maybe umuntu makazongicela imali maybe uyidinga vele it's emergency ngizokupha, so bona abanye babathatha advantage ukuthi unemali uzosipha isisiye kuyi bangicela imali and stuff ngabona ukuthi so now angisenze ngilimitile kuphana ngemali sebedinga ukuthi anginayo even though it's an emergency. Sebangithene umuntu ingasuyi kahle.
Oh kahle unayo imali vele. Ikhona imali. Because mabeyicela iyaphuma mos.
Beyiphuma back then. Now ayisaphuma.
Yeah, but still it doesn't that doesn't mean ukuthi it has run out, which means ikhona.
We can say that. Mhlawumbe.
Oh. Hey, yeah. Why vele amagents anale mentality ukuthi amagiya nemali? Yilifestyle eniphilayo or like yini le banika that mindset ukuthi ninemali?
I will say lifestyle because lawa abona from socials and stuff babona ngathi yonke into banayo.
It glamorous.
Yeah. So babona ngathi yonke into banayo, yonke into banganayo, that's why babona nalabo abanye ngathi banemali. Basenza ngathi into eyodwa. Angalisi into yodwa kodwa like sihlukile.
Inhluke kanjani?
Because ungaba nemali. Sharp mina ngibe gay but ngibuke ngathi nginemali but ngenayo. Ngazi if you understand. Okay. And then you've never dated any girl after that one that you dated? Not really. But abaningi bebazi mina like benginale bhadile ukuthi ngishela amantombazane mostly angitext umuntu wathole phela angilande ku IG how okay sharp ngikhulume nawe ngikhulume then nofeel ubone ngase ukhetshile because mina angikwazi ukukhuluma nomuntu without using i-direct i-direct text angiyithandi ngihlezi ngifaka ama-emoji mangase i-heart ilawa lamehla ngathi ayakhala so wena ubone ngathi ngiyakuthanda phela abanye babona ngathi i-heart kusho ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. No, angikuthandi. Then abanye ke abayingise ngamantombazane ngincapsayo because I've kissed a lot of girls. Shame.
For what?
Angazi.
Just kiss nje.
Kiss. Ngintombazane so mina ngizibona ngintombazane and nama feelings amantombazane. Ngizokuqabula wena uzoqabula mina.
And then everything iba right after that.
Because abanye bebaze bageze phambi kwami nami ngigeze phambi kwabo because ngifeel like I feel safe around them. So ayikho into etheni
my ugirl mayageza phambi kwakho akabe fascinated like more big reaction yakhe nje ugeza nje
akekho comfortable.
Imina mostly ngabe comfortable bona I think baba vele babe comfortable ngomuntu uzakeze icotho ngigeze emqolo ngimgeze nami emqolo ngigezwa lutho nje futhi because vele for real angizwa lutho angikho lapho yabo mangaba umfana ke yabo mtshisi ageze vele ngibone nje abola makheke Christmas ngivele ngibona wona lawa ama different colors ama choices yes.
Umchito mayageza phambi kwakho
Yeah. So nje I don't go there even though njengoba kumsebenzi kithi khona ama cousin agcwele ish
ufascinate ama cousin manje
there's a lack of privacy khona ama cousins because nongena la ngeza khona sharp ungenile so what ufunani ufuna ukuthi ayithathe how unalokho unakho mos nawe yini inkinga okay sharp angihlalise ngigeze but kodwa mindset yami ilapha ukuthi but vele anginama cousin amabi anginama brothers amabi like ukuthi like vele into esemndenini ukuthi kumele sibe bahle vele ubona potential ngamzoze cousin
ubona potential ku cousin
ngisineka cousin
which means when a cousin vele ningadlana wena ne cousin mos
I will say that because I want
ish we Jesu Christ
ngathi yangijaja like wonke umuntu say imostly abantu basemhlabeni khona le cousin
beka business
yeah
hey I
Is it true? I don't think so.
abanye futhi laba abashaya umkhonto ugwazi ekhaya abanye bamithiswa ikhaya
yeah but kuyenzeka ama-cousin ayadleka ama-cousin they are eatable yeah
bona bosimba bo Doritos wona nje
ama-cousin yeah
So now udlule lapho.
yeah once
so nadlala vele ne-cousin
yo ngathi ngithathe Jehova because namanje like now we are so akukho awkward kuyasho ukuthi mina nawe senza that thing one sometimes wangibuza ukuthi mina nawe space asenzani ngithi sasiganga sasingazilutho shame because sithethelele ngoba ngisekho lapho kunje lapho
okay mali ngoba iyahluka lento yama-gay kunama-bottom kunama-top kunama-verse wena uyiphi lapho
mina I'm a bottom. I don't think I will be a verse shame. I feel awkward saying peace. Oh my Jehovah. Hangibulali baba. Say no.
so wena uyi-bottom nje
Yeah. Bottom looking for a dominant man. It's hope. Umuntu ozongleader. Umuntu ozongitshengisa indlela. Yeah. Futhi angibafuni mina bafana banama sexy voice ngifuna umuntu uzothi siphi uyilapho ngithi Kuza baba.
ufuna umjito controlling
No so dominant there's difference between controlling and dominant. Ngifuna dominant. Kuthi manje uthi uyalibeka ngithi ya. Bese ngiyakubuza ukuthi isizathu ukuthi ungitshele lento leyo yini because abazali baba mangitshele lento leyo. Then ubeka i-street zathu ukuthi uzulala la. Ngithi ngiyakuzwa. Usukhulumile.
Yeah. Usuke ngekho abusive umuntu njalo.
Mina I would like khona lo ngangibhizi naye wazama ukungishaya like akuphume kuliwe because I've got superpowers nangiphinde ngibe indoda eceleni akuphume kuliwe akushaywana once but nami ngokwaZulu kuzoshaywana momile kushaywana
so ubudoda buyavuka sometimes
yeah mostly ngakumi kuyavuka nje futhi momile sishayane soshayana ngizokubeka ubufazi eceleni sena ubudoda bambane man to man ngasabambane woman to man sobamba na man to man
Yeah, ziyabuya ke.
hayi ngathi kubhizi mosuku
ukuthi nje angazi ngiphiwe lento ukuthi umuntu ngimsaba umuntu ngiyamhlonipha ngimsaba sometimes ngivile ngithule jaji nje futhi ngaba ngumsindo nawo because ngineconsi gogoba bavile bonke nje base ngizizwa ukuthi nyasha senzo suma kushaye nje base ngizizwa ukuthi nyasha suma kushaye liwe so yikho sometimes being ngithule ngcono ukuzenza isilima mawumuntu uzazi ukuthi uhlala impilo unyeke lo hlala impilo
So indaba yakho no cousin kwaba into view one so iyaqhubeka.
I would say ngiyaqhubeka because sa vibe yeah
nalo one vibe nje
you want to try dating sazama ukujosa about ukuthi ayisebenzi lento le that's vibe asihlanganise lento le kuphela
Cousin wakho umuntu njani straight
ase umuntu straight because unengane yeah last year unengane like udle futhi umntana ayikoda yena muhle ke yabo yena mangathi siphi iba step mother it's on the way Vulives Johani I'm all yours
so uyayithanda le cousin wena
I know ngiboneza ubhuti wami ngibona ukuthi umuntu engaventa naye because ngiyamfonela sometimes ngafona ukuthi ungilile usibanibani ngithi buyapi lapha sometimes ngisuke ngimkhuzile angitshela ukuthi ngibhizi nolo ngisuke ngimazi umuntu akhona ngithi uyaphi wena lapho manje umuntu ngeke umvimbi aqhubeke abuyeke kwena ukuthi ngisho ukuthi ngakukhoza kodwa ngakukhoza
so yini uyi straight abuye abe
no I say I was straight manje because sagcina kudala angazi but manje ngimboneza umuntu straight
kanjani umuntu olala nabanye
manje ngimbona straight because mina naye into yakudala ngimbona straight now uyangihlonipha nami ngiyamhlonipha ezibhodini angisaboni lutho ken but deep down Nkosi even though mangayibona le podcast uyazi naye
manje familyini bazothini masuza ukuthi wena no cousin nake nababhizi manje
sibabuza ukuthi hawo nabo shakaZulu bebajula nemndenini kanje thatha umntana kamamkhulu khona inkinga lapho ayikho ayikho so shuthi umtitilizo we-family what umtitilizo nje
hey hayi yekumnandi efebenini yakho
ongase idrama lapha yokunedrama shem
Yeah.
nedrama lots
Yeah. So beside ke cousin wakho ubani omunye ke watshwela naye?
oh I once dated a guy futhi story Nkosi ongisithi Nkosi yes Good Friday uzongithethelela uNkulunkulu mina ngajwala mfana futhi mfana ngami sahlangana ematshwaleni isona angazi ngijona mfana nje angathanda ama dark skin guys and stuff thana umuntu bonjani ngimhlophe ngifuna umuntu onjalo maybe omhlophe ukudlula mina
Okay.
sahlangana ematshwaleni sharp ayirumini lakhe then the rest was history safunda uHitler then ke saqala sajola then one day kaze ngangiyaphi I was feeling vele ukuthi ingayi kodwa ngaqinisa ngoba vele umfana akekho uzothi emfaneni makubizile asho ngiya ngona umama besikamazi ukuthi siphe uthandana naye sharp phakathi wayo namanje ngisamhlonipha shem ngaya kuyi sharp man any TikTok influencer waphinda vela na TV screen I would say celeb kahle
okay
sharp how only to find out ukuthi umfana angishare roomini lakhe aphuma then wayebizwa amajita ngaphandle sharp hamba wahamba nje futhi isikhathi eside then ngoba vele uphathe ne-iPhone so mina nesithombe sixabananga silutho nesithombe ngathi isithombe wabanjani like kumele kubonakala ukuthi ya ngisendodeni la ngashusa how making message ngona umuntu akhona uku-archive I was like damn ngavela ama-message archive avela lapha ya mongena ku-WhatsApp i-1 noma bo-2 mangena lapha I was like mamaki okay sharp angena how ngagowa through how umfana unomndeni father of 2 azange wabuya ngazama ukuthula ngathula man manje lo mkhulu la kimi uthi buza siphi ushit phela lo ushit lo ngambuza ngathi hayibo ngibona into enje kenzakalani asho ke ukuthi bezwa uthi maqeda ukungixoxela ukuthi unezingane wadini umuntu wakhona mangifoko ofisa kangiphaka nemali yokugibela hey futhi awume emfaneni my advise ukuthi ube nemali yokugibela ngoba kahlanga ngiyiphethe ngahamba endlini luckily bengakhechanga kodwa bengimthanda
Boso uthindana naye isikhathi esinganani?
Longest 7 months.
7 months. Wow.
Cause nina last kuma relationship, ane?
Yeah, mostly because ihlezi sibona ama different flavors. Abo dark chocolate, caramel.
So you just want to taste nje?
Sifuna ukutaste. Sifake inyawo. Manze nashisayi. Hayi kanti kuthi asifake inyawo kuphela sifuna ukungena nanomzimba. All gays are like that. Because yo.
David, what is a best sex for you?
Best sex. Like how to say abole umnyama khona. Listening to R&B Nkosi. Apho ungena izulwini. Lapho nje ungena izulwini. Then kuba ama neck kiss. Umuntu ongithena on shame. Ufuna ungithena on neck kiss. Nkosi. Nkosi yami. Ya ilapho ke sifunda uHezekiah 54 sanyukela.
Okay. Then kuyenzeka ukuthi igay ijwe nenye igay because kunama gay amavesi thola ukuthi kune gay enye eyitop kuyenzeka.
Yeah, mostly because mina let me just say I won't date a verse guy. Ayikabi Nkosi kodwa unobusesinyana because naphela ngithi uphinde angeke phela wena uphinde ube i-girlfriend omuntu uphinde ube indoda yami angeke I never so ngifuna ama top only top then ke but ama gays nowadays abo kuma afternoon ayinikele nangesiphongo nangesibhono hayibo uzodlala ngawe lo ngoba vele ama afternoon the only one thing kuphela nothing else nothing more
Phela nje
phela yabo if ukathandana ne after 9 for my years nama months hayi bravo shame mina ama-house esikoleni ngoba mbekanje ngoqhoqhoqo ukuthi sometimes mangakhera ngendlela or maybe ngizama ukubudget ngiyeke ngithi ngizocula ngizoba inyoni ngizocula ngicela imali yokuthenga ilunch anginayo kumele uyenze plan ke lapho ngoba vele abaningi basesikoleni ilaba ne fame so ayenze umuntu iplan ngoba ngizothi ngiyacula la kuyaphela wonke lo fame bakho ngizoyishaya impempe bathi shaya impempe qiqi ngizoyishaya
How uyabablikmela mos
ngingisho ngisema people but anginayo imali lokudla ngizodlana ngiphethe imfihlo yakho engisinda engaka maybe ngize ngilanjiswa nayi imfihlo yakho maybe yuzi yangilambisa imfihlo yakho angeke maybe ngiyokutshela ukuthi ngilambile ngithe ngelikota 20 ngangidli ikota 10 rand mina nabo they know ukuthi angidli ikota 10 rand
uzona standards
angidli vele
yini la ama after 9 noma ama
after 9 bafana basesikoleni bayithiwa ba bisexual ngisabazi the rest nje
so ngoba nina niyazibona lezi zinto lezi like mawubheka like ku society nje siphila kuyo like how would you like I rate of ama after 9 would you say it's high or medium or low?
It's increasing singasho ukuthi 1000 ngoba iyanyuka phela once a guy smash once another guy usazobuya because istofu siku 8 lapha asiku 6 siku 8 lapha istofu usazobuya and next time abomoy gay ongaphiwa nje allowance ukuthi uvalelayo wavala la red flag mina uphiwa allowance ukuthi uvalile la
ukuthi uvala umlomo ivala umlomo
because usocula ngithi mina ngizocula mina nje inkosi futhi ngizocula abanye bengize ngibapost esikoleni mangibasabisa ngibapost ngibafihli ubuso
hayi wena
basabi ngibona angidlali ngiyayifuna imali desperate ngenze ukuthi ngifuna imali bafihli so ababazi esikoleni ukuthi lo nyamazi mando bona manje mangibuye ukuthi how siphe bompostilano sibanibani nawe kuma comment bompostilano sibanibani ngithi ayi akusuyile umuntu omcabangayo ngikho lapha akusuyile umuntu omcabangayo shame lies uyayifula ebhanqa nje
so uthola abangaki lapha esikoleni sakho
esikoleni angatsho namuntu angeke futhi ngithi ngisazoke ukuthi like esikoleni badinga ngathi bangaqinisa kakhulu emanzini ngiyamthanda mina umfana oyinakekelayo clean nesdema ukuthi makahamba kucaca ukuthi yabo njengoba ngihlanyisa amantombazane angihlanyela ngifuna nayo ahlanyela amantombazane caca ukuthi umhlela mfana and bayi2 phela bayi3 futhi baka grade 12 bayi2 oy1 ufuna grade 10 ebekase classini lami wabona ukuthi khona usiphila asiphumi waphuma ufish wasinda kanjalo
nayo after 9
yes
u prefer yini after 9 or
umjita nje open like phila impilo yakho ba like I mean I don't mind people knowing ukuthi I'm gay or after 9 and why
I will say mina shame after 9 all the way abo mfana uzothi I don't mind inkinga phezulu inkinga because siyajola noma singajola ayingeke hey sisapostala lapha ngasisajola chocho this just below key after 9 right but go wonke ama gay shame after 9 all the way we choose them
yini lenichaza ngawo
mostly abo mahle shame damn go see mahle shame after 9 more than laba ba open
then manifike ni jole nama after 9 phindi futhi nifuna ukwa expose kanjani manje
because asisayithola lento esifunayo because siyavumisa kumele senze agreement sathandana so postana ke noma kanye bandla kanye uthi kungibeka lapha uthi kungifaka ubhayo bantu okungenani after na wayenzi leyo banindaba ukuthi umuntu bazothini like there's no need ukuthi uyishese ngabantu ukuthi bazothini while impilo yakho uzosafarisha u1 uzovuka wedwa yes
okay nina ungitsheleke wena i-cousin le yakubreak up virginity noma kwenzakalani
mina mangakhuluma iqiniso nje Gabriel virginity well I was in grade 1.
Grade 1. Umuntu grade 1 usuke neminyaka emingaki?
Mina was
it's like
I was
5,
7,
5, 6, yeah.
Hayibo izinto zabantu abadala.
yikho ngisho ukuthi ngashesha ngahlanipha mina. Mana manje ngiyabona nje ama mindset yakho even though ngekusho ukuthi uplane lokho but ngiyayibona mindset yakho. And like kuze uphila umuntu obreakile into eyangena shiqi. So grade 1 yangena shiqi. So this guy was dating when he was in grade 3. Then I was in grade R. Grade 1 afuna grade 4. Then ikiya. Ngabreaka.
Nifike kanjani leyo point?
Because beka umbhuti kamngani wami. Bengiya njalo kuba umngani wami kwemvakashela. So ubaba bakhe noma bengathanda ukuba khona. This manje sebahlezi bakhona abazali bakhe futhi uhlahlale res. Sebahlezi bakhona. Back then bebasala bo2. Sometimes ubhuti akaphumi. Uphuma umngani wami singisayo nobhuti wakhe. So siyazi ukuthi nana ihlaniswa yini ngithi. Then kwavela kwazenzakalele ubhuti wakhe angekho. Savula amabhayibheli. Even my friends ama close friends abantu abangathi abangani bami they know ukuthi usiphi dalo but ibody count yakhe isethekile ayifiki lapha ukuthi ngazidlula
njengoba busy nabo after 9 nje ibody count ithini.
I wouldn't say I'm after 9 amaningi lale now. I would say I'm after 9 amaningi ngawahaga ngaqabula kuphela. I've never slept with them. Angithembi mina.
Ulicrossa kanjani after 9 bethu?
Mina ukuthi anginale mindset ukuthi umuntu ngimthembe ngiqalo maybe siqala ukumbona noma siqala kuba kulokho nje. Ngaqabula then kugwami deep side athi sp no. Yabo lo yenza i red flag isiqoqe. Ngiziqoqe. First meet up. So amagi red emotion ukuthi first meet up savula amavisi. So no. Red flag leyo. Awulivula ivisi nge first meet up no. Kuba uzohamba mfana first meet up.
Yeah, angithi kumele kusheshe phela. Why sizolibele sidrayiselana?
Angeke. Coco.
Singabafana soyi2 then somele silibele sincengana kanjani?
Kumele sincengane. Mina phela uphinde ukhonza ukuthi ngintomazane ngidinga ukuncengwa.
Okay.
Yes. Ngidinga ukuncengwa. Ube gentle nami. Usho ukuthi ngiyakufila ke manje mama. Ngithi ngiyeza babazi. I'm on my way.
Nayi lento lena abantu abayilwelayo. Is it okay ukuthi wena like ubizwe ngomama?
Mina it is. Mina angazi kwa mina it is. Uthi mama ngithi baba. Noma ngithazela ukuthi mama Khizi mangonizi njengomunye use ngeke ngimention.
Hayibo, no se naye. Ifika kanjani use athi mamazi manje?
Usenje. Phila sengiyaphila. Hawu mama. Awu say. Okay. Kunje kanti.
So use naye which means ufola kule khole after 9.
Oh say so maybe usuka idlalela. Mina ngimthathele ikhanda. Abantu abaningi nje futhi abasho lokho. Ngase ngibajwayela ukuthi mama mangonizi. Ngoba vele into esiyazi yona sesikoleni mangonizi mophi lo ufuna grade ina loyo sharp. Singiyazi maybe wayidlala or maybe wakuyinto wayize esikoleni wangibiza ngayo. Yikho ngamthathela ikhanda. But yena singasho ukuthi ustress use.
Would you date a sugar daddy?
Abo nje ngidesperate ngifuna iapula. I'm all yours. But for the sake ukuthi ngifuna iapula ngalithola. Phuma kanje ngibela kuma age mates ami. Phuma nje kanje ngibela kuma age mates ami ngalithola nje iapula kanje into yayihlanganisile iphelile.
How? Manje ngoba family lumnotho ukhona iapula ungalithola mos. Why mele uzoligijimisa ngaphandle?
Yo. Mangitshe ukuthi kune drama. Ngisaba nokucela. Dibe kune drama ngakhona. Bongibalela izapha into engaka. Yo so and like I'm that person ukuthi ongifuna ukuzenzela everything. Angithanda ukucela even though I'm young ne angithanda ukucela. Ngifuna ukuzenzela. Ukuthi nje ngisela amandla ukuthi angikwazi ukuzenzela. But if bengikwazi ukuzenzela bengiyongizwe ngicela umuntu lasemhlabeni ukuthi ngicela ungenzele. Manabo banedinga abantu shame banedinga. There are things kumele bazenze bona. Banaka impilo zabo banganaki mina. So and now khona mathi it takes association akusika mama wami sika baba wami kamalomo wami. So banengane banempilo emele bayiphile.
Okay. no ngiyakuzwa. And then cause manje like you've said it ukuthi lento yobu gay, like it's normal now. It's normal, you see. But at the very same time kunabantu vele laba nobiza ngama afternoon abacashile and stuff, abenza like who approach you guys at night and stuff like that. Like, but don't you feel like in a way ban user?
I'll say so. They are using us. They are, even though singaboni, because amagi siba fooled ngento encane. Umuntu athemisa into engaka then ubicile uya fooled. And mostly amagi bashela abantu abadala. And that thing ukuthi abantu abadala bathatha advantage kulabo abancane. So that's why uba fooled, because bakuthemisa isiZulu nomhlaba wena things ungazazi yabo. So that's why ugcina uba fooled. This is into lezo. Then ikeke I don't know what's that thing, but we're full. But my afternoon nice was available because sometimes that I find it beneficial. Good when about benefits on something. Genzela lento le ya benefits. I mean,
like kanjani?
Spe ngisingathi ngiyabekisa ngilala nawe. Then when ngizokusaza maybe ngicela imali lapha ngokusasa. I know we keep. Ngokucela sathole I soft spots kuwena. And uzoyikhipha. Njenga this trending news this gay eqolo umfana omXhosa. I don't know if you know him. Hey,
Dominic.
Yeah, yes. And last usindile kodwa.
Yeah, naye ngibonile ethi cishe wafola into that trap.
uDominic amenzela umfana kanti umfana utshwana nentombazane. Izinto umfana amthengeza zona uDominic. Dominic athe umfana anikeza intombazane kodwa soyethenga uDominic. Basoke sibathole soft spots kuwena. That's why they end up using you. Kuthi bayenze into lokho nalokho. And when you benefits because uyazi ukuthi uthola umtitilizo phela lapha. Umtitilizo. That's why you benefits from ikuzoyikhipha. Wazi ukuthi next time ngifuna umtitilizo ngizowuthola.
Okay. No, ngiyakuzwa. Enye into engizama ukuyiunderstand la. Girls normally they feel more comfortable with you. So now, what is the conversation you and the girls like manhleli? Because manje ungathola ukuthi mhlambe ugirl lo suke umngani wakhe maybe wena ulala ne-out yakhe but ugirl akazi. So i-conversation ithini like, because manje obvious i-conversation of you guys and girls, I feel like it's all about abafana vele, because that's what you guys love and into in common.
In common, yes.
Yeah, nokukhombisana ama-notes ukuthi kuboka ukuthendele
Yes, in common.
Yes, but now if it in a way phela mawumtshela ukuthi ish look at this guy phela ugirl mhlawumbe uzomtshela ukuthi ish look at this guy, you see we after 9 but yo I like him and stuff like that and whatever, you know. Obvious abo girl they don't like that.
The thing goes, ama gays, they don't tell the girls ukuthi this guy is an after 9. Ubumazwe na nje ukuthi after 9 awumtsheli.
Okay.
That's the thing. Uyakhuluma ukuthi about this guy phela asho girl because namanye amantombazane anokudlalela 5. Umngani this guy ufuna ukhala ngayo akudlalela 5 sharp. Ugcine so interact nomfana. No yena angazi ukuthi sina interact vele ngoba umtshela ukuthi after 9 lona kuse after 9. Awumtsheli. Kumtshela ukuthi hayi muhle niyangichaza icrush ami phela. Because indaba ukuthi after 9 iyaziwa uwe nalomjitha kuphela. That's why ama after 9 agcine seyabona ukuthi ale yikho mina ngithi ngiya blackmail and ngenza kahle ngisazoyenza more mangithi ngiyayifuna le mali ngiphethe imfihlo yakhe ingaka. Ngekho umuntu oyazi
uzogcina ulamba mas because bazokubalekela
once umndeni wami uzongondla.
No, singisho ukulamba lapha phela.
Yo zobela kulaba yabo labe bakunyuza bakisha imthwalo uvela uhambi back then from titilizo
Zadla mshunqisi.
the thing about gays ukuthi they do anything for nje umtitilizo. They can
You guys would do
sacrifice
anything ane?
yes for umtitilizo.
Yini nithanda ngomtitilizo?
Yo phela li rare zimnandi izinto zabantu kodwa kama phela izinto zabantu zimnandi. Umuntu soza izinto sami lesi ngize ngihleke nje ukuthi athi izinto sakhe inkosi akazi izinto sethu in correction esethu
Akusisi inkwasakhe.
izinto sakhe. Ubona ngathi izinto sami ngedwa sizinto sakho esethu because ngiyayazi indlela phela akhala ngayo bese azofika lapha ku main road yeah now uyamazi so isinka sethu yabo.
Okay, no ngiyakuzwa. And then like what does your type look like when?
Mina chem khona laba vele bathi anginayi type inkosi impela mongana type angeke i red flag umuntu ongana type but vela kuyingi ukuthi awuna type kuya ngokuthi umuntu ukuthanda kanjani and how indlela akhombisa ngayo uthando. But mina type yami light skin guys Kosi abe bafanyana ke angabe umcundo kwangikho umcundo phela mina shuthi ngizomlimaza shuthi ngizompitshisa when I'm on top of the roofs shuthi ngizompitshisa ngifuna abe nobufanyana abe nomzimba then abamude but mostly baba bafishane and ngimude udlula bona nje ukuthi ishikosi why was I too long why ngenze ngibe mude but maybe ungenze with the purpose ukuthi why ngimude uyazi uNkulunkulu mina ngikazi then ngithi happy yami leyo ke bafana aba light skin abanye abamhlophe thamantu bazana bayokutshela ukuthi aba dark amage dark ngithi abomfana o dark ufuna abantu abaningi phela so awusitholi nespace phela lapho so ubona ukuthi
that's why igijimela laba bamhlophe.
Yes there's more space and like futhi abahle but inkinga abafana abahle bafuna abantu abaningi another red flag. But mina abantu abaningi sayenza yethina lapho
kanti umfana dark problem yakhe kuphi?
I don't know just ukuthi ngimfeel nje ngibuke singabeki sesibadala sesathanda into yabampela iserogisa bele sicabangela abantwana let's think about our children. Ngifuna umntana omnyama mina hello I mean black child no
Black
child
imagine nawo nabantwana.
Yeah I mean I do shame I do abafuthi umuntu osangenze futhi ngibe naleyo mentality it's motion diki. Yes.
Do you feel like you guys are learning like from those guys up there, and what are you learning from them? Because Bona, they've paved the way for you guys. Like, you know, you can embrace yourself as a gay. So means they've made it clear, like, you know, like Pella also means wherever like he walks, like they treat him like, you know, he's a normal person. You see. So are you going to do like my gay? And funny enough, you'd find even James trying to get pictures with him. Ahamba nentombi yakhe.
But then goes mina angiboni bang influence with something. Into mina nje ngabona into engibona ngathi lento ngingakhela something in future. Young ingenze ngibe more into it. Lonto nje I once tried the forex. No sesami sayizama. Lathi hambile nje 800 ngathi Nkosi. No more. Ngiyabonga Jehova ihambile nini manje ningaphela le angeke ngabe ngithenga ama outfits ngabe ngiyofika inkophe ngabe ngiyofaka ama nails ngale 800 angeke iningi lo mali so ngayeka lapho then but I'm embrace ukuthi ngiyenze maybe into ezongakhela something in future ngiyabona ukuthi mina ngiba famous njengavele ngifuna ifame in a lot of ways and I'm famous ngiyazi ukuthi khona la ngizoyivulela khona indlela ngona khona if big brother izoba khona in future Don't big brother man on God grace ngizongena for sure then ke ngizoyiphivela mina indlela angifuna ukulandela umunye umuntu ukuthi wayenza njani because abanye abazinzelanga abayibamba bothatha ezinye izinto ngithi so kuze bathola into abayifuna mina ngifuna ukuzenzela mina njengoba nabo balindela abantu ukuthi babukele kubona mina now say anginayo mina I role model inkosi I role model yami
when uhluke ngani kwamanye amagay
mentality i-beautiness engimuhle kodwa inkosi Nkosi yami kuthi nje angazi kwalapha ingabe famous kodwa ngimuhle ngiyababa ngihosh karamai phela mina ngiyababa so nje it's different from other gays ukuthi personality ngiyababa I'm one in a million akekho ufana nami in the whole South Africa akekho ufana nami akekho futhi ngeke aze abe khona inkosi even though ngiyafa ungadlala ngidla khona uhlala la ngihlala khona ugeze la ngigeza khona uqoke la impahla engigqoka you'll never be me you'll never
should you snake pack amajita khala ngawe njengoba uthi
lutho because I'm always at home
uphumi
ngiphuma manje mimi ngemakoleni mimi ngiyothenga inkoda mimi ngihlala lapha ngaphandle ngithi ebutshanini nabantu base siphe ecela uphumi hlala sometimes maybe ngiyo photo shoot
but jena nje
somuntu uphuma and like sengirelocate from Snack Park manje ngiyovakashela baba Snack Park sengihlala emndeni.
And then if you get a guy and he were to ask you ukuthi how much is your monthly allowance, ungathi malini nje wena monthly allowance yakho?
Awusingaqalazana ukuthi inkosi uma ngathula iapula okay mina ngithole i-allowance ukuthi ngakwazi ukuthenga impahla engiyifunayo izinyanga mina ngibe ne-wardrobe every month,
hayi
if not month every after 2 months ngibe neimpahla ezintsha. Then mili skin care lalela I would say monthly allowance it's 1,000 1.5 cheap mali encane kabi leyo angikhalisa umfana osebenzayo 1.5 angabe uyangoqobela 1.5 mali encane kabi leyo. Imali mongafika kithi bayibala bekuyitafula ungahlanya fana nokuthi yimi uzogcina ngondla wena lapho hawo yimi ezoya breadwinner so nje i-1.5 right for mina kule age ngiyona 1.5 sengine-apula kodwa ngakabi ne-apula 3.5 khona make for umuntu ofana nami.
I-apula bani
mina ngifuna i-13 mini noma from 12 11 12
out of fashion 11
but nayo if ungangithengela inkosi I will appreciate that ukuthi awungithengelile ngiyabonga dala ngilifuna phela iphupho phathi apula kazi ngifuna ngiyiphathayo ngiyayishaya mathe nje ngithi ayibo khani siyasebenza so nje ngifuna into esebenzayo but so mama uzongithengela but nawe ungangithengela nje ngiphatha amafuna u3 fine babami.
So when you bless kahle kahle you wouldn't mind?
I wouldn't. Wo ngapakisha umthalo ngivele ngihambi ngithi lady ngizokubona
uyohlala khona
usohlala neplace
ngithathe nyothi noma ngafaka thubeni inkomo ku WhatsApp ngahlala
athubeni inkomo via WhatsApp
noma ngayithubela nge-view once abulezi ama-video asendele mama i-view once uzomkhokhela ama rights uzoyikhipha
kahle kahle niyithanda like i-fancy lifestyle ne
that life.
Mina I do angazi ka mina shame mangayibona nje sengise TV because I won't share my enough information about ukuthi what my next move after this. There's a huge move engizoyenza engimele laba sesikoleni laba ngibetrayile lalela bongibukela kanje phathi siyamazi lona kusasekuncane lokho kusazuza okukhulu ayiskatha my enemies ayiskatha oh lord ayiskatha nangibetrayilwe from abantu engaqala ukuskima nabo grade 1 my grade when I was in grade 6 till now bangibetray so nje this I'm creating new bonds bongifuna text sibabangani shem.
When uyamupha umuntu wakhe imali
mina I do shem sometimes like ngilo umuntu lo if anginayo imali ngizokuthengela ukulingana amandla ami thengayo maybe nabo ma sports ngikuthengele amasokisi skipper newash ukulingana amandla ami ngikuphi but kwena ngifuna imali angifuni phela lento lezi ngithenga zona nawe uzongithenga ngifuna imali
as much as wena ukwazi ukuthenga ukulingana amandla akho why kungabi the same ngapha
inkinga yena ngiyazini ngasuka ungithengela amabhampazi wasepep onkosi ngibulale Jehova ngizoyenza laba baba sasepep mina wathi akamenza wayenza ngingasayiqoki get kama phela akamenza ngisayiqoki ngizoyenza namabhampazi akamenza cake
angikukhona
I won't even focus shame ngakulahla nje ufike nawo ngathi ngiyabonga maqeda ukuthi tswi ngonikeza ubhuti wami noma lo owafunayo ngeke ngwaqoki shame angali ayikuthi ngiappreciate ne kodwa mina ngikuthengela okubizayo ngithengela amabhampazi ngithatha kanjani kahle kahle wena ngithatha ukuthi ngihluphekile ngokuthenga into ze-red bets ngithatha ngathi ngihluphekile hayi wena hayibo kungiyisa nje lokho ngidelela
ay okay hayi no kezwakala. Is there anything you'd like to ask from your side? Mina from my side I want you like to motivate people about what's this LGBTQ? Yes. Because I feel like you guys are going through a lot, you know.
Really.
Yeah, and you guys, especially you guys, like you suffer in silent. You see, you bottle stuff up, you know, and stuff like that. Like, and abanye babo, they're still in the closet, you know, like do all those type of things that you guys go through. Like, I just want you to give a word of advice to LGBTQ community, you know, that could motivate them. Would say things will get better, you know. Like, what would you say to them?
I mean, I would say, stay true to yourself. Never let someone discourage you and your shine. While it's shine, so make your star shine brighter. That's my good thing. Uhlezi make wena moyibuke esibukeni isibuke as umuntu ohlezi onje and uyophumelela. Moyibuke uyibuke njalo esibukeni njengoba ngiyibuka mina esibukeni ngiyayibuka. Ukuthi mangiphuma ngesikoleni ngisho ukuthi hayi bona muhla ngiyashisa. Kusasa ngifuna ukushisa ukudlula lokho. So muzibuke esibukeni. Ngoba like isibuka sikaze saqambela manga it shows who you are. So ungabo into evela emzimbeni ungabo self esteem ungavumi ube ne self umuntu akehle self esteem. Say that njalo hlalela uku encourage ngamazwi like uyitshela wena esibukeni uzibuke esibukeni ukuthi I'm a better person and I will be a better person and ngizoba rich the way ngakhona ngizoshintsha mina isimo sasekhaya. Even though mina ngizoshintsha lapho nalapho ngoba vele kushintshekile but ngizoshintsha isimo sasekhaya and God wangenza ukuthi ngifike kulo mhlaba lo because in a purpose uNkulunkulu ngamletha ngumuntu in this world ukuthi azohlupheka. Mina I'll be the most shining star ever. Abo Elon Musk wala South Africa wafika nganamali kodwa the richest person in the world. Now usho ukuthi I'll be the next richest person in the world and the most successful person in the world.
Yeah.
Awungitshela vele. Kungenzeka nje uvuke one day mhlambe soshintshile sosana namantombazana.
Nkulunkulu ngingazi hang Nkosi. Hayi ukuthi mina hayi njengoba nginothando ngami nenkosi nginothando nje ngizinikela nangomphefumulo nangeliver nangamabele ami ngiyazinikela uthandweni ukuthi ngiyathanda ke manje. Singwento Nkosi amantombazana yo ngazi kubangani bami evil amantombazana akhohlakele Nkosi yami.
So ngeke lo ukujola nawe.
Ngithi ngiyabonga ngithi Nkosi thank you never created me as a boy.
Yeah.
Because I'm not a boy vele. Nasesikoleni they know. Khona thami ngiyoqala ukuphakisa ngafika lapha elayinini. Amantombazana bathi hayibo wawumi ngani kabafana ngathi abafana konje am I a boy? Am I? Ongelisa mama le kitchen ngifulela yini amantombazana ngalomzuzu. Angena. Ngaphakisa ngaphuma. So abantu babafika esikoleni bafika kimi bathumele mina ukuthi ngibaphakisele because angifolelani nabafana leni sixoxoxo and stuff. Ngifola the most quiet line esikoleni. But angiphakisi. Ngathi kunabantu abangiqeletayo ngizophakisa ngeke zangisinda indaba zenu zinja. Zangisinda. Qhubekani ningafuni ukungibhadala. Abuyizona abumele ngiyogroove. Nginganalutho. Bayogroove abantu bakhona. Futhi phethe imfihlo zabo mina. Because I'm not that kind of person because umuntu uzoyiphumela closet masefuna kodwa uyangiqeleta. Ngikhohlwami.
Njengomuntu ocloser kumantombazana why uthi evil?
Abangani bami afike kimi chomchom mthanda lo mfana lo ngiphuphe ngaye hawu sheshile bo hayi sibahluzi namhlanje kusasa chomchom ngithanda loya sis into yazazi engikhuluma ngayo into uzoyibukela le podcast ngiyazi yazazi then omunye lo ngithanda lo abathanda abafana bayithu ngesikhathi siwani ngithi hayibo sis bazokubulala abafana fear boys after God. Fear boys ngoba abafana.
Isasekhona igrind.
I've never been in grind but ngiye ngayizwa umngana my ex friend uke waba ku grind. I was like despite this wangathi ngikuzamele. Why don't you ask me ukuthi ngikuzamele because you know ukuthi ngiyazamelana.
Yeah.
Noma ningishaya emva kwendlebe ningithathela abantu bami you know ukuthi ngiyazamelana. Ngakupha naloku nayi thatha ngikuzamele you know. even though ngabe sithembini at the young age.
Enza yini ukuthi amantombazana ajoyine le app le grind?
Despite langashelwa. Elangashelwa. I'll say that. Intombazana engashelwa, it's a huge red flag. Zama nawo abantu ukuthi ube kuligi lekasipay. Ube muthi uzoshela. Utshela bobhuti baba Mercedes fane nami. Ngabe sithembini ethe nawo ngabe wena ungagcina uyitholela nomshado hamba sonto kaShembe mungashelwa hamba kaShembe uzothola umshado angithi uyaphiyo uthola umshado
mongashela akaya kaShembe
once angisho ukuthi abantu akaShembe bashele lapha sonto khona kodwa hamba kaShembe uzotholela abantu imali ozoyidla amafa angisasaba will
amakhehla phela
amafa amakhehla banga nje singibhizi nje bemhlophe onkosi kill me ufuna laba amasuta amnyama
but now uzoba naye nje bemhlophe one day
mina once there's this machine yala Rosebank is 5000 ukukhipha intshebe ukuthi ngaphindi khule uDominic Zacu uyenzile ngiyaphinda abe nentshebe uDominic Zacu in her entire life ngikaphinda abe nayo so and nje mina ngikhulise la mangithi mjaveni ngithi
yile niphuza ekhulisa lezi zinto lezi
there khona amaphilisi lokho nje ama hormones but mina ngiyenza BBL ngaba imali ngiyenza BBL yofana no Cyan Buji lalela ngithi ngidlale ngabatiti ngidlale zomtitilizo I mean lalela nje ngipatient ukuthi mina uNkulunkulu uzoyiphendula umthandazo yami ukuthi ngibe famous ngibe nje ngikhole yonke indawo ngibe independent bese ngiqhamuka nje sengintombazana bolapho ke ukuthatha amadoda abantu ala eSouth Africa la abaposta ku TikTok kubathatha bonke
ongayishintsha
mina if I have money but I don't think I will because lento lena ama consequences abo ngabe bengananga bosomizi uyishintshile because unemali usomizi
phela uyayithandela nezintombi
no he's straight gay so mina I don't think ngadle ngishintshi ngabe ngenze kakhulu ubuke ngathi ngintombazana but I'm not nginalo itotolozi nalo nje ikhona kodwa lingasebenzi ifaili listina ibricks
so ngeke uzulikhiphe
I don't think I will shame not now
uthanda linjalo
so liyavuka nje
yo mina shame mangakutshela isigaxa khona abafana basikasam bang pressure ukuthi I have to learn how to masturbate I don't know how angikwazi cabanga angikwazi ngiyahluleka because most of boys they once mina ngiyahluleka angikwazi ngazama ngahluleka ngazama unayi umsangano lento le cabanga nje ayeka
so was there ever a point in time where
yeah likile shem likile even now when bengino
go mbakushaya isivosho
yeah okusekumtitilizo time lalela yeah but the red flag ukuthi amagay amaningi ayaphethe shem ungazi umuntu wayangaba umfana ungazi umuntu wayangaba umfana ngoba baphethe hayi yo
okay
and amantombazana alifuna afuna hayi yo afuna umlakalaka
amantombazana
and the most ukuthi abafana labayitshelayo abanalutho that's a true thing abanalutho labayitshela ukuthi 2 minutes noodles and spaghetti 2 minutes umuntu akhona bona labayitshelayo abanye babo abasesikoleni khona like those waninga ngizama nabo manje noma ngibabona manje vele ngithi wena uphapha kanje kanti Nkosi yami I pat my hands and wash my face my eyes eventually ngoba shame
why
umjida kanti kumele
2 minutes noodles
kumele athathe isikhathi esingakana
1 hour lokho asikhalile nje umtitilizo
toys phela leyo i-toys leyo.
Like amampela vele kube 30 minutes 1 hour. Then get around lesi2 ishami after.
Phela iplug ndawo bafitha ngalezi zinto lezi zamalonto.
But khona abanye nje abungama machines kodwa ngaphela ndawo.
Then wena usuku usezwa 1 hour yonke.
1 hour. Melokhu khalile nje ngabe nyamona guys inkinga nje ngizonyazisa la roof.
Oh.
Hi, anyway, thank you for pulling through. It was an amazing show. I would like you to share your socials on that camera, that one, and then we're gonna wrap it up.
Oh. On Facebook it's PS Mkhize, yeah. Then on IG it's P Mkhize. Then on TikTok it's P Mkhize. It's Lay Queen B, the only one in this earth. Kekho munye. Mina loyo. Khabazela amavuvu ugcwabe.
Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And we are out.